tired skin with a simple coffee scrub. You will need 2 tablespoons coffee powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, half tablespoon coconut oil. In a bowl, combine all the ingredients together until well combined. Gently spread the scrub over your face. Avoid sensitive areas around the lips and eyes. Once it has been applied all over, let it dry on your skin for 5 to 10 minutes and get absorbed. Clean with warm washcloth. For best results, use this scrub and mask 2 to 3 times a week. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to HerZindagi.